All right, let's get into the story behind one of big data's biggest and weirdest names. To get to the bottom of that, we have to talk about two very different worlds of data.
On one side, you've got quick, everyday stuff. On the other, you have deep, heavy-duty analysis.
Think of OLTP like your bank account, constantly changing. Traditional databases were built for exactly this. OLAP, well, that's about seeing the big picture in massive datasets. But here's where things got tricky.
Yeah, when big data showed up, those old school databases just couldn't keep up. They hit a wall.
They just couldn't handle the massive size, the crazy variety, or the speed of all this new data.
See, they needed everything in neat little boxes. But big data, it was a messy, unstructured pile.
And the waiting. Oh, the waiting. Hours, sometimes days. You couldn't do anything in real time. Then, around 2003, a solution started taking shape from two different corners of the tech world. Google basically figured out how to chop up huge jobs and spread them across lots of computers.
Meanwhile, a guy named Doug Cutting was working on something kind of similar for his own project.
Okay, so where does Hadoop come from? Well, the answer is pretty adorable, actually.
So, the story goes, Cutting was watching his little kid, who was just starting to talk, and the kid was playing with his favorite toy, a little yellow, stuffed elephant.
And you guessed it, the name his son gave that elephant was Hadoop.
That's it. No acronym, no fancy tech term. It's just the name of a toy elephant.
And that right there is why the logo is a simple yellow elephant. It all makes sense now.
Now back to the tech. This new Hadoop project took its cues directly from those Google papers.
So Google's file system became HDFS, and their MapReduce idea became Hadoop's processing engine. But here's the key move. Instead of selling it, Cutting gave it away to the Apache Software Foundation. This turned it into Apache Hadoop, a totally open source tool that anyone could use and build on.
Think about it like Linux. No single company owns it. It's a foundational piece of tech for everyone.
So you go from a huge data problem to a Google blueprint to a kid's toy. What a story.
It really makes you wonder, right? What's the next yellow elephant hiding in plain sight?